and welcome to my tutorial titled Using the Rule of Thirds to Create More Visually Impactful Photographs. What do I mean by visual impact? I mean when you look at a photograph and you're just like, wow, that is an amazing photograph. Over the next few minutes we're going to look at a really cool compositional technique that you can use whether you are shooting with professional equipment or the camera on your smartphone to create photos with that wow factor. The main concept that we're going to look at is the rule of thirds. Using the rule of thirds in photography is quite simple. You basically imagine in your mind that your scene that you're looking at through the viewfinder is divided up into thirds horizontally and vertically. And so in your mind, what you're really doing is imagining a tic-tac-toe grid over your photograph. And you just want to place the most important part of your photograph along one of those lines or at the intersection of where those lines meet. And we'll look at some examples. One helpful tool that you may have at your disposal is a viewfinder grid. And basically, the viewfinder grid, which is accessible through your camera's menu system, will put a little grid on your viewfinder so that you can then line up your subject according to the rule of thirds. In conclusion, if you remember nothing else, remember this. A bad camera plus bad composition is probably going to equal a bad photograph. A good camera plus bad composition is still going to equal a not so great photograph. But whatever camera you use, if you combine the quality of your camera with really strong composition, you're going to have photos that are really going to make people say wow. So now that you have learned a little bit about the rule of thirds and seen some examples, fire up your camera, go out into the world, and take some great photographs. Thanks for watching.